0.75. Okay, but you can either hit that or you can say 1 divided by the tangent of 20, and it'll give you this same value. Okay, finally, the last problems that we're going to do have to do with solving for a particular value of x. For example, here's a right triangle. I've given that this angle is 38 degrees. I know I didn't draw it very well for a 38-degree angle there. It's a sketch. It doesn't have to be to scale. The side here is 10, and this side is the one we're looking for. And we're trying to solve for that side. Well, if I'm trying to solve for this side, and I'm given this side across from my theta of sine, cosine, and tangent, these are the ones that you're going to want to work with when you're working to try to solve for a side. And if you're looking at these, which of these uses opposite and hypotenuse? That'd be sine. I know it feels like Blue's Clues, right? Sine, it's sine, right? So opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 38 degrees is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So when I go to set this up, first I'm going to find sine of 38 degrees, 0.6157. Then I can throw that over 1 to make it 2 fractions equal, so I can cross multiply. So I end up with 10 equals 0.6157x. And I divide both sides by 0.6157. And that leads me to the value of x, in this case, being, now we're going to round the answer to 2 decimal places, 16.24. I've got one more example, and then we're all done for today. And that example is this. I've got a right triangle. I've got an angle of 10 degrees. And the sides that I'm going to work with are here, 12, and here I'm trying to find x. Now in this case, the 2 things I'm working with are the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. That would lead you to cosine of 10 degrees. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and the adjacent is the x, and the hypotenuse is the 12. In this case, it's going to be a lot easier to solve this one because I don't have to divide later. I can just go ahead and cross multiply. Cosine of 10 degrees is 0.9848. Again, we're going to put that over 1 to make it a fraction, cross multiply, so x equals. Now when I multiply 12 times 0.9848, I get 11.82. Now that's a rounded answer for both of these. Both of these are rounded answers. All right, so those are your problems that I've done out. I'm going to put the assignment up here. Your assignment is going to be in Google Classroom, but I'll put it up here anyway. I'll erase this and put it up there. It's page 648. Problems 11 to 37 all. And that is the end for today. Have a good day.